In the shadows of the palace he stood so alone, a heart full of courage but his faith overthrown. A damsel approached with the question so clear, "You're one of his followers, why do you disappear?" Oh, the rooster's cry echoes through the night, the tale of denial when wrong felt so right. In the warmth of the fire he turned from the light. Oh, the rooster's cry, a reminder of fright. He said, "I know not the man," with each word he spoke, but deep in his heart he felt the weight of the yoke. Another maid came with eyes like a flame. "You're one of them, Peter, you're playing a game." Oh, the rooster's cry echoes through the night, a tale of denial when wrong felt so right. In the warmth of the fire he turned from the light. Oh, the rooster's cry, a reminder of fright. Then voices grew louder, the pressure was high. He cursed and he swore as the truth slipped by. But the look in the mirror reflected his shame. As the rooster crowed, he remembered the name. 3 times he denied the one he called Lord. A moment so fleeting, yet it cut like a sword. With tears in his eyes, he stepped out in the night. The weight of his failure turned his soul to ice. Oh, the rooster's cry echoes through the night, a tale of denial when wrong felt so right. In the warmth of the fire he turned from the light. Oh, the rooster's cry, a reminder of fright. Now he walks in the shadows, but redemption is near. For the heart